3 and 1/2 by what? Equal 1. You know, when the product of any multiplication is 1, it means that I multiply this number by its reciprocal. So the easiest way is to find the reciprocal of this number and put it here in the missing part. So what is the reciprocal of 3 and 1/2? To find the reciprocal of this mixed number, I have to convert it first into improper fraction. So put 2 down, and I will multiply 3 by 2, it will equal 6. 6 plus 1, it will equal 7. So the 3 and 1/2 is the same as 7 over 2. So what is the reciprocal of 7/2? It will be 2 over 7. So the answer will be 2 over 7. In another way, I can draw my triangle to find the missing part in this multiplication problem. Which number will be up? Multiply, the last number will be up, so it will be 1 here. And the two numbers will be down, 3 and 1/2, and the missing part. How can I find the missing part? Up, divide, down. So to find this missing part, I will say 1 divide 3 and 1/2. To divide, I will keep, change, flip. But first I have to convert the both numbers into improper fractions. This one is 1 over 1 as it is, and it will be flipped. Convert it first into improper fraction to flip it. It will be, as we said, 7 over 2. So when I flip it, it will be 2 over 1. Now I have up, write it up, 2, down, write it down. It will be the same as this number, 2 over 7. You have the two ways to find the same answer. 2.8 divide 0.04. Here I have a division. In division, I have to look at the divisor. The divisor should be whole. Is it whole? No, it is decimal. So I have to convert it into whole. How can I convert this decimal number into whole number? I'll see how many steps I will move the decimal to get rid of it. 1, 2. I will move it 2 steps, so I need 2 zeros. I'll multiply by 100. What you change in the divisor should be changed in the dividend. So as well, I will multiply these 2.8 by 100. And let's rewrite the question again. I need a new modified question to be able to answer about. So this 2.8, when we multiply it by 100, I will move the decimal 2 steps, as you know, 1 and 2. And the decimal will be here to the most right. I can erase it. So what is the number now? It will be 2, 8, and this gap I will put 0 instead. Divide what? This decimal number will be converted into whole, 4 whole. Now, can you divide? Yes. 280 divide 4. When you write table 4, you will find 28 divide 4, it will equal 7, and I will drop this 0. So the answer here is 70. 2/3 divide what equal 1 over 4. Here I don't have divide question to answer about, but I have a missing part. To find the missing part, you need your triangle. Divide, so the big number comes in the number up will be in the beginning. It will be 2/3. And the two numbers will be down. One missing number and 1 over 4. Then to find this missing number, you will say up, divide, down. So I say 2/3 divide 1 over 4. How can I solve this problem? Keep, change, flip. I will keep 2/3, change the divide into by, and I will flip it into 4 over 1. Do you have simplify? No. Then I'm going to multiply 2 by 4, it will equal 8. 3 by 1, it will equal 3. This 8 over 3 is improper fraction, so to convert it into mixed number, I will divide 8, divide 3, and write table 3, 3, 6, 9, search for 8. I will take close and less, which is 6, it will equal 2 with remainder 2. W, D, and W is 4 whole. D is denominator down, and the N is for numerator, so it will be 2 and 2/3. So the missing number here, or the missing divisor, it will be 2 and 2/3. In other way, you can say that the missing divisor, so I will divide. Missing divisor, so I will divide. I will say 2 over 3, divide this 1 over 4. Other question, missing a number, divide 3 over 7 equal 1 over 5. Do you have here a division problem? No, I have a missing part. Missing part means I will draw my triangle, my missing triangle. And divide the first number up. And divide the first number up. So who's up? The missing number, this blank one. And the two numbers will be down. It will be 3 over 7 and 1 over 5. Let's go and ask how can I find it. I have two numbers beside each other, so I will multiply 3 over 7 by 1 over 5. Now, do you have divide? No. Do you have to simplify? No. 3 by 1, it will equal 3. 7 by 5, it will equal 35. So the missing number here will be 3 over 35. Last question, 0.3 by 0.02. 3 tenths times 2 hundredths. When you have by and the decimal number, I will go IMAP. Ignore the decimal point. Look at the solid digits. I will consider it as 3 by 2. Then I'm gonna multiply 3 by 2 to equal 6. This is my answer. Now add the decimal places. How many decimal places are here? 1, 2, 3. So I will put the decimal point after 3 places from the right. Start from the right. 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 6 thousandths.